it's been...
Everyone tell me now.
My headache's gone.
As long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do! You're about to die!
You sound like my doctor!
Unexpected. So anyway, where are you all going?
You guys haven't seen a giant steel ball, have you? You don't want to hurt me, Bo. We're both big and round and never finished high school.
Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth. You're all gonna die.
Alone at last.
I'm trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
Come on, because I want to be fair, a piece of advice. Resist every temptation.
I hate chain reaction.
You foiled my plans for the last time.
You soiled your pants for the last time? We'll save you! Over at Convenient Round!
Maybe that exit sign leads to an exit.
The last time?
Maybe that exit sign leads to an exit.
Now for the unkindest cut of all. Now for the unkindest cut of all.
Why, they go up so fast.
Papa Harper!
Put the radiation into Maggie!
Why, they go up so fast.
Papa Harper! Do not fear, hey!
The baby is wet and presumed breaking.
I'm not gonna take off that diaper.
Mommy's coming, giant Maggie! Come on, Maggie! Destroy something! Get away from my baby! Maggie, that's not a pacifier! Get those tourists out of your mouth! You know where they've been!
Home sweet. Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? Slapping my face!
This must be the part where they take your picture. Okay, smile.
Took 5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over.
I can get involved. But I mean, like, remember